Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A12. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Click I accept, choose Confirm, tap on Continue and select Allow. You want to go with Receive on Samsung Galaxy A12 and Send on this Samsung. Normally you need to tap on all of these dots and click Send to send all of your files and apps. But I don't want to do that, so I will just click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input password or scan QR code. If you want to scan this code, click on the scanning icon over here, select Allow and point at the code. As you can see, my picture was successfully transferred, but if you wanna check it out for sure, you can always find app My Files, select in my case Images and tap on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!